Winter is officially here, and in a couple months or weeks even, you're going to have snow everywhere, and you're wanting to escape. And we're talking about great ways to escape. We're here with Jen Dunyan from Getaway Today Vacations. We're talking about giving a gift for Christmas, and the gift is vacation.
Absolutely. This is a gift that everyone will always remember, that never gets thrown away, that it's just a special family together time that a lot of people just love to give for the holidays.
And so where are we going to start?
Okay, you know what? Disneyland went on sale today, actually. We've got a great offer that if you want to give it as a gift for Christmas and travel in the first of the year, you can save up to $35 per ticket, which is a really good savings for a family.
And you're buying what, a Park Hopper Pass?
A Park Hopper Pass, yes. And our hotels have extra night free specials. Disneyland is really affordable the first of the year. But if you want to sneak away and go for the holidays, I definitely would recommend it. It's the most magical time of the year to go as well.
So the tickets go on sale today, and they're good through?
They're good through March 11th. The last day they expire March 11th. So it gives you a really good time to get out of the snow and to be able to go and have this wonderful escape.
All right. And you guys are offering something for the first time now that's kind of a cool thing.
Yes, we're offering a lot of beach vacations. So one thing, our staff just got back from Southern California, and we were so excited. We've got some new Huntington Beach specials, as well as some stays in San Diego that are deluxe resorts. And we were so excited about it that we got with them and we said, hey, can we give these away through our Facebook? So make sure that all of your viewers are liking us on Facebook, because each week before the end of the year, we're going to be giving away a beach vacation. So this week we're giving away a stay at the Pacific Terrace. And if for some reason you don't win, this is a 4-star hotel. It's fabulous, and it is right on the ocean in San Diego. And our prices are almost half as much as other people's, so we've got the best price on it.
You know, I always like it when you come in because I go, where did you just get back from? And you said you guys just got back from California. Where you guys actually go and test all the products so you can speak firsthand on what people are about to experience?
We do. We think it's so important for our guests to know all those ins and outs. So our staff, they truly are experts. They go to all the theme parks. They experience all of our hotels, and they can really find your family the perfect vacation for you and the best price, because we know price is super important too.
All right, so anything else we left out?
Cruises, too. Those are so popular for the holidays. A lot of families are finding that that's just an easy way to travel with a group. So we have parents that will do that as like a memory, that they'll have the whole family go on a cruise together. We have prices from a 4-day cruise for only $99 per person.
Now that $99 gets you everything on board, your food and your fun and your entertainment.
Exactly. So a lot of people find that's just such an affordable gift to give for extended family, especially for those people you just don't know what to buy them, but you know they're going to love a vacation, and you get to spend it together as a family.
So all right, so if people want more information, where do they go?
You know, our website, getawaytoday.com, or they can call us at 866-FUN-TRIP.
All right, those Disneyland Park Hopper Passes went on sale today.
Today, yes.
Take advantage of those. Thank you very much.